the UFC finally returns to Miami, Florida on Saturday, April 8th from the Miami-Dade Arena. Card is headlined by the rematch between the new middleweight champ Alex Pereira and UFC superstar Israel Adesanya. Plus, Gilbert Burns takes on Miami's own Jorge Masvidal. Tickets on sale now at Ticketmaster.com. Live number has Nurullo Aliyev a near -500 favorite with 5 minutes to go. Again, the point deduction in round one looms large.
Alves corner asked him to throw some more feints and move side to side. It's because
beautiful
knee lands.
Big knee, caught it. Aliyev wearing it well and goes right back in for a takedown. And here's Alves with another guillotine attempt.
Beautiful connection with the knee.
It's tight. It's tight. That getting rocked is what set this up, as we talked about. That is tight.
You see the panic. This is
great defense. Great defense.
Volkanovski.
He pushed
Brian Ortega.
He pushed the feet. He pushed the hips down like a pair of pants. You saw Volkanovski use that against Ortega, and that defended the choke. He's out of the choke now. Now he's got to get out of the bad position.
Yeah, but he's in full mount. Yep. And for Alves, he should realize he probably needs a finish in this situation, and he's in a great position.
His corners gave him great advice and said, you have to win this round with everything you have because we're probably 1-1. So he knows that.
If he wins the round, we're looking at a draw. If he postures up to drop some elbows, he could get a stoppage. However, by doing so, that would allow somebody like Aliyev the leverage to get back to the feet. Pardon the play on words there.
Watch the back of the head. Watch the back of the head.
I mean, this is how you win if you're Alves right here. You control the round and you can get ahead. I mean, you might be able to get away from a draw if you really dominate this third round.
It's really interesting the way he's keeping that left arm of Aliyev kind of isolated. Trying for the head and arm choke again.
And mount is not in an easy position to keep. It shows how strong Alves is with his top game.
Yeah, it was that. Oh, look at that.
That's what I mean right there.
Perfect.
It's hard to keep mount, and that's why you get reversed. And a lot of times there's a lot more space, and that's what we saw there. Great defense by Aliyev there.
The reality is we need a sense of urgency from both men now. I mean, if Aliyev grinds it out on top, does some damage, he could win a decision. It's his UFC debut. He's got a massive following back home. He wants to win in style, like he did on the Contender Series. He's looking to grab that right wrist, control him there, and then go to work with that left hand.
That's the corner of Рафаэль Алвес, right behind him by Bob Perez.
See, he's trying to reach around the back, grab the left hand of Alves. That makes him one-handed, way harder to defend himself. And then the left hand of Aliyev is free, just like that, to try and get the finish.
Final 2 minutes. Top half guard for Nurullo Aliyev. Alves has had his moments in this third round, but Aliyev now right back where he had most of the first two. Corner of Alves wants more urgency in the final 90 seconds. But you see the look on Alves' face. The question is, how much does he have left at this point?
Yeah, he's clearly frustrated, and rightly so. You know, he wants to be up on his feet, he wants to be using explosive attacks, but he's partly got himself to blame. I understand he went for the guillotine on 2 occasions. They are sacrifice moves. If you don't get it, you're in a bad position. You sacrifice, you know, being on your feet.
And the other half of that, as Bisping's saying, is not only do you sacrifice the position, but you use so much energy going for the guillotine that sometimes you don't have the energy needed to get away after you attempt the guillotine. You're just too tired, and that's kind of what it looks like here when it comes to Alves' technique. Like, it's not that he doesn't know what to do, he's just a little bit tired, and then Aliyev is obviously extremely good on top, like a blanket.
And Aliyev looks like he's trying to isolate the right arm there and kind of fish for submissions from the bottom instead of trying to explode up to his feet.
Look how he's holding that bottom leg of Alves. How he hooks it, that's what's keeping Alves pinned to the floor and allowing Aliyev to punch him like this.
I will say this is great defense, though, by Alves. See him trying to block, and he's trying to land little elbows at the same time. But he's essentially given up trying to get back to his feet. He's more interested in posturing and giving the thumbs up. This fight's over.
Well, how about Nurullo though, emptying the tank in the final 30 seconds. And the first fighter to rep Tajikistan in the octagon figures to get a W. We'll get the official decision coming up next with undefeated Tommy Fury tomorrow afternoon at 2 p.m. Eastern, 11 a.m. Pacific. It's a 10-round cruiserweight bout. There's a lot of bad blood between these two. Go to espnplus.com/PPV to order and watch it live. Here's Bruce Buffer with the official decision.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds, we go to the judges' scorecards for decision. The judges score the contest 29-27, 29-27, and 28-28 for the winner by majority decision, Nurullo Tajik Eagle Aliev.
I'm here with your winner, Nurullo Aliev. Nurullo, congratulations.
Любой чиз как объект миграт. Мисал одамая, одам. Одам как объект боин. Ако мото объектов барои фаҳмондан, например, як намуди чиз мисал одам. Одам объект мешавад. Одаманда дута чизаш мешавад. Свойствашай. Нағз гӯш кун, дута чиз одаманда. Одам як объект. Объектам дута чизашай. Свойствашай. Бад вайшай. Номачи, поведение шай. Понял? Вот это не сам. Это основное. То есть первое. Идем год. Свойства. Йоинки атрибут могут. Понял? Атрибуты. Дуем чизаш. Поведение. Понял? Поведение ин чикор мукунат. Анакну, например, мы говорим че? Пример берем. Пример человека. Пример человека, ага хайбы берем. Например, свойства мы говорим. Як менесан ход мануш фам свойства втегабде. Свойства мануш ин чи? Например, глаза. Чем ин вабижат? Свойства мешат, понял? Больше мисол, не сокрамок ин глаза, руки, ухо мисол, бозе, язык, ноги, то есть ногами говорим, где руками говорим, як тиша мисол. Ин свойства одам. Фамшидя? Багарез нага буд ягли тиша ки мисол. Ин свойства мешат. Анакун дуюмаш мигрим. Дуюмаш поведение мешат одаманды. Некун. Одаманды поведение мешат ин чи мешат. Например, поведение глаза грегар чикормкат смотреть. Фамшидя? Ин уже поведение мешат. Смотреть чикати, свойства глаз кати. Фамшидя? Слышать мисол. Слышать где кати, гош кати. Язык говорит, мисал. Фамилия нога баройчи ходить. И он намаш яку поведение мешат. Значит, любой объект чанта чизишай?
Дута.
Дута чизишай. Любой объект дута чизишай. Як свойство, дуемаш поведение. Фамилия той чиза. Анакун дуем пример мы говорим машина. Свойства машины чем мешат инжанды?
Мотор.
Мотор мешат. Больше мешат. Дверь. Дверь. Больше дверь.